Emotion early on, overflowing.
Yeah, it kicked off, and I suppose we all joined in.
You know, I think every manager said one in, all in, and that was it.
My goodness, it really is ridiculous.
You have to be honest about it. We all love a little bit of a dust-up.
Well, they all got involved. Some of them are still involved, just to the right of the picture.
In fairness, it did look bad. When you look back on it, it looked terrible.
Here's Trevor Giles against Scotland, and a brilliant penalty. That was terrific skill.
Probably one of the best penalties I've seen in an Ireland final or from Croke Park.
I just aimed it right for the post, and it was only at the last second it just curled inside the post and hit that stanchion at the back. I do remember in the last couple of minutes just thinking to myself, please, please, let me win an All-Ireland.
Superbly executed, and it's all over. Meath have won the All-Ireland. Sean Boylan's men had a tough battle over 2 games against a very game Mayo side.
At 21 years of age, to say you'd won an All-Ireland final, you know, and played well, and it was just what you always wanted to do, and you'd finally achieved it.
As GAA President Jack Boodman, last time he presents the Sam Maguire, and it's to Meath, and it's to Tommy Dowd, and the fans are celebrating.